Hello guys, we are back again with our new video. So today we are going to talk about Epos Adapt 360 wireless headset. So it is a good product for office use. So let's talk about its branding, the power of audio, and there are some instruction written on the box so you can read it, but we are not going to waste your time. So let's unbox it and see what we are getting inside the box. So here some basic manual instructions is written for the product, you can read it. So let's unbox it, and here some cables we are getting inside that, so we will talk about that. So first cable is to connect your headphone without Bluetooth. If you want to, then this cable is going to work for you. 3.5 jack, it will connect your laptop with your headset. One additional cable for charging they are giving. So A to C cable is given here, so you can charge your product with this cable. There is a dongle, ETD800 dongle, so you can use it via when you are doing Microsoft Teams call, so it will be helpful for noise cancellation. So let's open this bag. So one bag they are giving you for putting this product inside the bag. So bag quality is good. I already unboxed this product and I'm using from 1 week. So now giving the review and the features. And if you have not subscribed my channel, so do subscribe. Inside this we are getting some manual instruction, user guide sheet, so you can read it if you want. But if you want quick instructions, so these are the buttons instruction, you can read it and you can start work on it. So if I talk about for this product, so where you can use, so basically this one is for office purpose only. So very good packaging, very good design, compact design and very lightweight, if you can see. So unboxing is done. So from here you can increase the size as per your head size, and here is some branding or their logo is given, you can see. Cushioning size is very good, and this one are in ear headphones, so this one is good for your ears and it will not give you pain if you use it more than 2 hours or 3 hours. If I talk about the battery life, so it will around 2 to 3 hours maximum, but I'm using it from 2 to 3 days after charging 100%. So here are some buttons given, so let's talk about. So this one is for switching on and off. So if it is red light, so it off your device. This one is for switching on, and if you want to pair this device, so you need to press it for a long time. Now it is in pairing condition, you can connect to new device or new mobile or laptop. This one is for connecting your cable. This one is the cable to connect 3.5 jack to your laptop or mobile. You can connect it both without using Bluetooth. This slot is for charging your device. This is for increasing decreasing volume. This one is pause and play, you can do from this button, and this one is for switching from two microphones are given there. So this one is for switching, and it can reduce the sound, like noisy sound is there if in your surroundings, then it will reduce the sound. Okay, so let's switch off this device from here. And if we talk about the design, it's very comfortable, lightweight and good for your ears. Cushioning is also soft. So let's talk about its key features. So key features are, it will concentrate when you are working in any noise environment, then it will concentrate on your audio, and it ensure clear calls with certified solution. And you can enjoy stylish and comfortable design, I already told you, high quality stereo sound and reliable performance, which is given by this headphone. So these are mainly key features of this device. So now I will wear this headphone and I will show you how it look like on a person. There is no sound, outside sound. If you wear this, it will stuck all the sound which is coming from environment, like noisy sounds and some people are talking near you, so it will uh, reduce that. So one, so you can see how it is looking like on me, so you can tell. So if we talk about the price of this product, so this one is 13,000 rupees in US market. So in India you can search it. It is good for office purpose only. When you want to do business call, meeting call, like, then only you can use it. This is not for school or college guys. This one is basically for gaming. If you want to do you want to heard good sound, then you can use it. As well as, like, if you want to work in a office teams call, you want to attend important calls, then you can buy it. So how you feel this product, so comment it. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and let me know how you feel about this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If any query, you can ask me in comments. Love you all. Thank you guys. Bye bye.